Hello and welcome to another episode of Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to take leftover Thanksgiving rolls and make bread pudding. Alright, so I have 2 eggs in here. I'm going to put about 2.5 cups of milk. Alright, so we're going to put a cup of sugar in here. So a splash of vanilla, a couple good dashes of cinnamon, and we're going to add a few dashes of salt. Now I lined a pan with foil and I'm going to lightly spray it with a little oil spray. Now I'm going to take my rolls and I'm going to break them up into pieces. Alright. And it's better if they're stale. Alright, just like that. Now, one more thing I'm going to add in here. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now I had it sitting and cooling earlier, so let's make sure everything gets mixed in there nice and well. Alright, now let's pour it over the top. Now if you have more breadcrumbs than this, just make double or triple the amount of custard. You do want to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes to let the bread soak up the custard. They've soaked up a lot of the custard, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it up a little bit so the bread on the top that didn't quite soak in the custard can get a little dip too. Otherwise, you're going to have a hard top. Alright, see how nice and wet all the crumbs are now. So this is ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees. Alright, so here's our bread pudding. It's nice and soft in the middle, a little crunchy on the outside. And so I'm going to go ahead and have a little frosting. I'm going to drizzle over the top here. So there we go. Looks like bread pudding. Tastes like bread pudding as well. So thank you for joining me for Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for stopping by.